Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The parable of the Muslims and the Jews and the Christians is like that of a man who hired some men for a task who will work for him up to evening against a fixed remuneration. Some of them worked for him till the midday and said, 'We do not need the wages which we had fixed, and the work we had done stood cancelled.' He said to them, 'Do not do so, but do the work for the remaining hours of the day and get your complete wages.' They refused and went away leaving the work. He thereafter employed 2 other men and said to them, 'Do the work for the remaining hours of the day, and I will pay you what I have settled with them.' They did the work, but when the time of the Asr approached, they said, 'The work we did stood cancelled, and we left our work and the fixed wages for you.' Both of the groups were asked to complete their remaining work, as extremely less time of the day was left over, but they refused. So he engaged other men for the remaining part of the day. They did the work until the sunset, so they got the wages of the other 2 groups. So this is the parable of those people and these people who accepted this light." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2271.